This time around we're looking at water droplets and gems, depending on how you want to look at it, but you can just start off with some ovals or very organic circles. You're going to need at least 6 if you are choosing to do this one. All right, so, and I'm gonna make this one just a little more rounded, I think. Okay, first thing I'd recommend doing is really defining one edge. This is kind of like shading a sphere, except for it's a little bit more organic and loose, and you're going to have a few extra highlights. All right, the interior. I'm gonna have my light source. Obviously, since my shadow's over here, light source is coming over here, but I'm gonna have multiple highlighted areas. And I am using a blending stump for this one. Remember, blending stumps, when you are using them, can sometimes get a little dirty, and sometimes that can be useful because you can use that as another aspect of value and or shading as you work. This is getting very dark, okay? And notice that I'm not really touching my highlighted areas. And I can go back in with an eraser and lighten it up because I do want a variety of those different values in here. So I'm using my eraser as a drawing tool. And then adding back in some of those super dark values, because having that light area next to the dark area is what is going to help make these pop and have that contrast. I'm also going to have some shading around my object, of course, because that also brings life to it. And each one's going to look a little bit different. Just like they would in real life. So that is one example of how you could approach it. And remember, you need to do multiples. So if yours ends up looking something like this, that would be grand. Maybe I'll do one more